When you first start using Ajax, you'll find yourself thinking, boy, I can get this XML file from this server and that XML file from another server, and I can mash them all up and do all kinds of cool things. And you'll quickly find out that there are limitations on what you can do with Ajax and XML HTTP request. For instance, if you're running your own script.js file off your server, and then you do an XML HTTP request back to your server, that's fine, no problem, it's great. However, if you go and your script.js file tries to go and do an XML HTTP request off of some other web server at some other domain, what you'll find is that this isn't allowed by your browser. JavaScript keeps this from happening because otherwise, if you think about it, it can be a pretty nasty security risk. There is a workaround, which is your script.js file does an XML HTTP request back to your own web server at your domain, and then your web server is running something called a proxy, and that proxy, on your behalf, goes and asks for that file from the web server at some other domain. Now, servers can talk to servers without too much trouble, and so then the proxy gets it from the other server, and then the proxy passes it back to you. Because this is a server-side technology, however, this is outside the scope of this course. You'll want to check out one of our other titles, such as one on PHP or Ruby on Rails. Next up, we're going to get into the details of writing Ajax code.